Hey guys, so we are back at math. I know we're kind of off on our worksheets today, so do not so just kind of pay attention so you know which worksheet to get. You'll need the times as many Wednesday. I know it's Thursday. It says Wednesday. I kind of gave y'all a break yesterday. I wanted you to kind of review by doing a Kahoot game before we just kind of went on. So today we're going to talk about times as many. And looking at when you come across a problem that says Joe had 3 times as many as Cynthia, what does that look like? That is going to be multiplication, but what does it look like? And how do we work a problem like that? So we're going to be going to the grocery store and looking at some prices of some items that I need to buy. And the prices are going to be in times as much. And so we need to figure out how much is that item going to cost by doing multiplication. Okay, so our first one is eggs. So I'm going to go to the fresh marketplace and I'm going to buy eggs. And it's telling me that my eggs cost 2 times as much as $2. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is my description would be 2 times as much as $2. Okay, so that's my description. That's how I'm describing the price of the eggs. Okay, I'm describing it as 2 times as much as $2. Okay, so what would that look like in a multiplication sentence? Okay, so I'm going to write here. I have these 2 boxes that are separated by this dotted line, and it's wanting me to show 2 times as much as $2 in a multiplication equation and an addition sentence. Guys, an addition sentence is the same thing as this right here is the same thing as repeated addition. Okay. So an addition is the same thing as repeated addition. Okay, so let's do the multiplication problem. So 2 times as much as $2. That's all that means. 2 times as much as $2. So 2 times 2 equals, so if we don't know what 2 times 2 is, we can do the repeated addition. Okay, so this is actually telling me that it is 2 groups of 2. Okay, so 2 groups of 2. So I have 2 groups and 2 is in each group. So that means my repeated, let's actually draw the model before we do the repeated addition. So 2 times 2, guys, you can draw any model you want. So any model that we've talked about. We've talked about equal groups. We're already doing the repeated addition. We've talked about number lines, we've talked about arrays, and we've talked about area models. So we are going to draw a model for 2 times 2 using what we've already learned. So I'm going to do equal groups. So I know that I'm going to have 2 groups with 2 in there. Okay. And I know that my repeated addition would be 2 times 2 equals 4. So 2 times 2 is 4. Okay. So if I want to know 2 times as much as $2, that would be $4. So my eggs are going to cost me $4. Okay. Let's look at my next one. The frying pan, fresh marketplace frying pan costs 5 times as much as $6. Okay, so that's my description. 5 times as much as $6. Okay, so that means my multiplication to figure out the price would be 5 times $6 equals, okay, so let's draw a model. My model I'm going to draw is going to be I'm going to do an area model. No, an array. Okay, so that means that I'm going to have 5 rows of 6. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's row 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's row 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's row 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's row 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's row 5. So I have 5 rows of 6. So that means my repeated addition would be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So I'm going to be adding 5 6 times. And to figure out my answer, guys, you could just count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. No, let's see. 5, 10, 15, 20. Oh, I did this wrong. Ah! See? I did it wrong. This is why we don't write in pen, guys. So erase. If you make sure you're using pencil, erase what I just. You don't have to erase the array, just erase the numbers. It's 6 in each group. So 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. So 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. I am adding 6 5 times because I have 5 rows of 6, which would be, so 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 plus 6 is 24. And 24 plus 6 is 30. So it's going to cost me $30 for my frying pans, because it's 5 times as much as 6. So basically what it's telling me is I'm going to be adding $6 5 times to buy the frying pan. Okay. So you're going to do one on your own. So guys, we have pretty much have done all of this before. We have done the multiplication equations. We have done the repeated addition. The model, you get to pick the model that you want to do. Do you want to draw on equal groups? Do you want to draw a model of equal groups? Do you want to draw a model of the number line? Do you want to draw an area model? Do you want to draw an array for your multiplication sentence? That part you get to pick. So I want you to flip over to the back. You are going to be buying shampoo and conditioner at the store, and it cost 4 times as much as $4. Okay, so go ahead and write that down. You're going to be writing me a multiplication equation of 4 times as much as $4. You're going to be writing the addition, the repeated addition sentence, guys. That means repeated addition. Write me the repeated addition. 4 times as much as 4, and then draw me a model. Remember, you can draw me an array, an area model, a number line, equal groups, okay? Any of the models that we have talked about for the last 2 weeks. All right, when you're finished, take a picture of this and submit it to me.